Hello, shoppers. Today we have a review of the Manscaped Platinum package. This is so cool. You can see the packaging and everything that it comes with. So as you can see, it comes with the Lawnmower 5.1 Ultra trimmer, the Weed Whacker 2.0, and then it has a bunch of other cool stuff, right? Like you got the Body Scrubber, which is so good. You have the shampoo, conditioner, and a body wash. And I can tell you, my wife is loving my after shower scent. It also comes with deodorant, crop soother, and a crop preserver, so you don't smell bad down there. It has a nice travel bag, and it even comes with a pair of boxers that are extremely soft. So I got this because I was looking for an all-body trimmer that was skin safe, and when used correctly, I'm guaranteed not getting cut. Manscaped uh, really did it right. Very high quality product, and it does work. So I give this product 5 stars. And if you're looking for a safe body grooming tool and some extras, then that are very nice, then this is for you. And as you can see, just going like that, it really does work. Super safe. Thank you, Manscaped. Oh, one other thing, you can change the light depending on your skin tone so that you can see in those dark places as well. Oh, pretty cool. And the weed whacker, same thing. Very high quality. Awesome.